Catoosa County Republicans are still denying 4 candidates to qualify for the party ballot, but a judge issued an order to get around their decision.
Grayson Gordon tells us how these candidates say they're going to be on the ballot on May 21st, no matter what.
Despite the decision from the Republican Party, these 4 candidates will be able to file directly with the Election Commission to be on the Republican ballot.
It's a battle we've been fighting since Monday morning at 9 o'clock, and it should not be this hard to give the voters a choice to who they want to vote for.
All 4 candidates, Jeff Long, Vanita Hollander, Larry Black, and Stephen Henry, were able to file directly with the Election Commission.
I want to make it clear that this fight is not over, that they will be battling to get us removed from the ballot, so don't think today is the end of it. Today is not done. It's just the start of more litigation to take your rights away from you.
There's going to be appeals filed, of course, and I expect that the judge's behavior is going to be overturned.
And Court Judge Don Thompson asked legal counsel for the candidates if there was any way around having to get approval from the GOP, and they said no.
Judge asked point blank yesterday, can we go around them? And they said, no, it doesn't look like we can, so we have to strong arm them. So I don't think when they file the order telling the elections board to go around them, the attorneys are going to look at that and they're going to appeal based on the lack of legality.
Judge Thompson asked Catoosa County deputies to follow and video candidates going into the Republican headquarters seeking approval. Stephen Henry says the body camera footage shows each of those 4 candidates being denied a place on the ballot. We have requested the video.
I hope it's out, and I hope y'all play it over and over and over, because it's a small group of people taking your rights to vote away, and I think everybody needs to know about it.
After this decision, things heated up between Georgia Republican Assembly President Nathaniel Darnell and Catoosa County Commissioner Chuck Harris. Harris accusing Darnell of lying when he said this to us.
They were not notified that there even was going to be a hearing on Monday until after it had already happened.
You can talk lawyer all you want to, but you stand here to these cameras and you tell lies.
No.
You say we didn't know about a hearing.
Darnell said after that interview, the GOP lawyers were not given the required 24-hour notice of the hearing, but were left voicemails from the opposing counsel asking them to come. Darnell says the lawyers were also unable to give their arguments at any of the 3 hearings. Ultimately, he believes it is the executive's board job to make sure candidates are voting to preserve conservative values.
So if you want to keep people believing in the credibility of the Republican Party, you have to make sure that they are voting in a way that's consistent with our platform.
This is really a temporary decision just to make sure that those commissioners were able to get on the ballot before today's deadline. Reporting in Catoosa County, Grayson Gordon, Local 3 News.